What is up, YouTube? You! Right now I'm driving over to the motocross compound because the champ himself text messaged me and told me I need to come over and film what they were doing, and I didn't believe him, so he went Facebook Live, and now I'm going over there because it's gnarly. You guys are gonna be stoked. Wait and see, boys. You! What's the claim over here, champ?
Claim is we're gonna go try something new today, do a little ice riding.
I set up a little trap, but I got He has one. Just gotta get it nice, like.
I mean, that's a radical toy.
You gonna try it?
Nah. I'm just trying to figure out how I can use a toy like this in my porn movies.
I mean, if you're into like some type of like kind of weird, kinky, like cut someone up thing. Tell us about thekink.com, Troy. What the fuck? Remember you got caught looking at that?
Yeah.